Still stuck in a cycle of junk food, crash diets, and zero energy? You're not lazy. Your habits are just working against you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to flip the script, break bad eating patterns, and build a lifestyle that actually sticks. Let's do this. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that affects all of us: developing healthy eating habits. So grab your pens and paper and let's jump right into it. In this fast-paced world, it's often challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially when it comes to our eating habits. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the process of developing healthy eating habits that will not only make you feel great, but also transform your life for the better. 1. Understanding the importance. Let's begin by understanding the importance of healthy eating habits. Proper nutrition not only fuels our bodies, but also affects our mental and emotional well-being. By adopting healthy eating habits, we can improve our energy levels, enhance cognitive function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that a diet packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants can boost the immune system, helping us battle illnesses? It's true. By nourishing our bodies with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, we strengthen our bodies and build a shield against diseases. 2. Breaking bad habits. Now that we understand the significance of healthy eating habits, let's tackle the issue of breaking bad habits. It's often difficult to let go of our unhealthy indulgences. But remember, change begins with awareness. Start by identifying your trigger foods, those that may cause you to overeat or indulge in unhealthy choices. By being mindful of these triggers, you can work towards reducing their presence in your meals and gradually replacing them with healthier alternatives. Eliminating bad habits doesn't mean depriving yourself. Instead, focus on building a positive relationship with food. Plan your meals ahead, making sure your plate is filled with colorful, nourishing ingredients. This will not only make your meals visually appealing, but also give your body the nutrients it needs to flourish. 3. Cultivating good eating habits. It's time to cultivate those good eating habits and kickstart a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive in. First and foremost, prioritize whole and unprocessed foods. These foods are packed with nutrients and are less likely to have added sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your daily meals. Portion control is vital. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Focus on eating until you're satisfied, not stuffed. It's better to have smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day rather than 3 large meals that leave you feeling sluggish. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is essential for our bodies to function optimally. Skip those sugar-laden beverages and opt for water as your primary beverage. Infuse it with fresh fruits, herbs, or even cucumber slices to make it more appealing. Lastly, practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite. Engage all your senses while eating and appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. This can enhance your satisfaction and reduce the tendency to overeat. 4. Overcoming challenges. We've made it this far, and now it's time to address the challenges that may come our way when developing healthy eating habits. One common challenge is a lack of time. Work, family, and other commitments often leave us feeling too exhausted to cook nutritious meals. However, with a little planning, meal prepping, and utilizing time-saving kitchen gadgets, you can overcome this hurdle and stay on track. Another challenge is social situations. We all have those family gatherings, celebrations, or outings with friends where unhealthy food choices abound. It's important to strike a balance. Allow yourself occasional treats, but focus on making healthy choices during the majority of your meals. Don't forget to seek support from your loved ones. Surround yourself with people who understand and respect your goals. They can provide encouragement and motivation and even join you on your healthy eating journey. Conclusion. You've come to the end of this knowledge-packed episode on developing healthy eating habits. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and the journey to a healthy lifestyle takes time and dedication. By understanding the importance of breaking bad habits and cultivating good habits, you can create a lasting positive change. So seize the opportunity, take charge of your health, and embark on this incredible journey towards a vibrant and fulfilling life.
future's bright. Every step's a chance to grow. Now's the time, let courage show. Breathe it in, the start is here. Fuel your body, make it clear. You're a garden, let it bloom. Rise and shine, escape the gloom. Power deep inside, nourishment becomes your guide. Fresh beginnings, vibrant days, healthy hearts that light the